Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you guys the best web hosting provider for WordPress for beginners. Now, whether you're just getting started online, you will need a web hosting provider for your online business. It doesn't matter whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you're a freelancer, or whether you are an e-commerce seller. Having a web hosting is very vital to your success with your online business, because if you are a freelancer, you will probably use it to be able to host your portfolios. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can be able to use it to host your affiliate marketing sales page. If you're an e-commerce seller, you can use it to host your product or the sales page of your product. Whatever you're trying to do online, having a reliable web hosting that you can use to host your file is very, very vital. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best web hosting provider that you can be able to get started with as a complete beginner. Now, this web hosting provider is not just one of the cheapest in the market, but it also has the necessary features that you will need to be able to get started to run your online businesses. So I'll walk you through this web hosting platform and also how to get started with it, and the necessary features that they offer right there, and also any other information that you will need so that you can be able to successfully run your online businesses. And the web hosting we are talking about today is known as UltaHost. So right here you can see that this is actually an extremely fast, secure, and user-friendly website hosting for your successful online project. Okay, and right here you can easily see how they compare with other hosting providers right here, how cheap they are right now, that you can be able to get started with them with just $3.29 per month. Okay, and when you compare them with hosting providers such as SiteGround or Bluehost that charges above $10 per month, you can be able to see that you are already saving a lot of money with these guys right here, and they can actually provide you more things that you will need to successfully get started as a beginner that most of these guys are actually going to be providing for you guys. Okay, so if we scroll down right now to their comparison, now you can be able to see everything that UltaHost is actually going to be offering you, but whereas if you're actually going to get it from other hosting providers, they're actually going to charge you very, very high for those same features. Okay, as you can see right now, you can be able to get started with $3.29 per month, like I said before. But when you compare it with HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, SiteGround, and so on and so forth, all these other platform charges above $10 per month. Okay, now let me quickly walk you through all these other features that UltaHost is going to be providing to you. The majority of these other hosting platforms will either charge you for, or they do not offer those services. So right here you can see that they have SSD only servers right here, which will also help you not to worry about failed hard drives and data loss again when you are using their hosting platform. And if you also take a look right here, you will see that the majority of these other hosting platform does not offer the same SSD only servers right here. So you can see right here that they have what they call Rocket Booster. Okay, this also help with the performance of your website. As you can see right here, they say that you will benefit from having 3x more resources per account and 3x fewer users on a server with a high performance PHP 7 hosting environment consisting of light speed and all these other cache that will help to quickly speed up your website. And you can see they are the only one offering it right here. Okay, so they also have Let's Script, which means that they are actually going to be giving you free SSL certificate for life. Okay, they are not going to charge you for this, whereas the majority of these other platforms are going to be charging you for this. They also offer Crowdfire CDN caching. Okay, and this Crowdfire CDN caching is very, very important because it also helps your website to load very, very faster, because right here they say that they are going to replicate your website content on more than 190 server locations all over the world, which means that wherever the visitors are coming to your website are coming from, it's actually going to be loading up your website on the server nearest to their location, which means that your website is actually going to be loading very, very, very fast. Okay, which will also help your website to increase in the search engine ranking, because that's actually one of the things that search engines like Google consider when they are trying to rank websites at the top of their search engines. All right, so right here you can see they also offer Spam Expert right here, which will help you to get your emails delivered to your clients or to your customers inbox when you're sending emails. Okay, so right here they also have web application firewall. Now this is actually very, very vital to be able to help you to stay away from having malwares or malicious file or attacks on your website. Okay, so they actually give you this for free, and most of these other platforms are actually going to ask you to pay for this service. As you can see right here, this other platform is going to tell you to be able to pay for these other services, but they are offering it for free. Now they also do malware scan and report, they're going to be giving you for free, and this other platform will ask you to pay for it. Then they also offer free backups to back up your website should in case you have any problem or you want to return to a previous version of your website. They also offer instant chat response, and also they have multiple server locations like I said before. So right here you can be able to do all this and get all these features right here for just $3.29 per month. This is undoubtedly the best pricing you can get when it comes to a hosting provider that will provide you all these features that you see right here, which is what you need as a beginner when getting started. Now, to register on UltaHost right now, go to the description of this video. You will see a link that says register with UltaHost. Click on it. It's going to bring you over to this page, so you can come over right here and click on get started, or once you land on this particular page right here, now you can go ahead right now and click on get started. Now once you click on get started, it's going to bring you over to this their shared hosting plan, where you can be able to go ahead and select the one you want to get started with. So you can see right here, this is the 3.80 per month right here, where you're going to be saving up to 40% right here. Now you can see what you're going to be getting from this one. So you can be able to host one domain right here. You can receive up to 10,000 monthly visits right here. You can see you have unlimited bandwidth, free backups, free domain transfer, free SSL certificate, free 30 days money back guarantee. Should in case you do not like this particular platform right here, you can actually request your money back. Okay, so all you have to do is just to go ahead and select the plan you want to select. Okay, now since I already have a plan, I will simply go ahead right now and log into my client area. Now once you land on your dashboard right here, this is where you are going to be able to control your web hosting from. So right here, let's say that you want to go ahead and check out your domains. If you already have domains, you can go ahead and click on this my domain. But if you don't have a domain, you want to register a new domain, go ahead and click on register a new domain. It's going to bring you right here. Input the domain that you want to register, click on search. It will come out and let you know whether the domain is still available for you to purchase or whether it's taken. If it's available, they will take you through the process of how you can go ahead and get the domain. Now let's say that you already have a domain hosted on another platform and you want to move it back to them. Just hover over these domains, go ahead and click on these transfer domains to us. Click on it right here, and it's going to bring you over right here where you can be able to go ahead and improve the domain and click on other. Now as you can see, like if you transfer now to extend your domain by 1 year, okay, so you can do well to go ahead and transfer domain to them so that you can be able to use them as your domain managers and also your hosting providers, which means that you are managing both your website file and your domain name in the same place, okay, which makes everything more easier for you as a beginner. And over here where we have services, if you hover over services, you can see that they have new services right here. You can go ahead and also order if you need them. So if I go over to these other new services, you can see different other services that they have right here. So you can see that they have VPS hosting, they have VDS hosting, they have dedicated server, they have reseller hosting. So for example, if you want to be a reseller hosting provider, you can also go ahead right here and order the one you want to use. If you want to become a Linux reseller hosting or Windows reseller hosting, you can go ahead and click on the one you want to use. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on this Linux reseller hosting, now you can be able to see that I can be able to get a Linux reseller hosting for 28.50 USD per month. And right there you can see what it's going to provide you. It's going to provide you with 30 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free dedicated IPs, and also 25 cPanels accounts, okay, and at the cost of 28.50 USD, which is actually one of the cheapest in the market right now. Now if you want to increase it, you can see the other prices that we have right here, and they have several other services right here that you can also go ahead and check out if you want to go ahead and get those services, because I know that most of you guys out here is actually going to be depending on WordPress hosting, because I know that majority of you guys are small business owners, or you are a website designer, a website developer, or even bloggers who just need a web hosting provider that is very cheap for them, that can be able to host their website so that they can be able to set up their online products or sales pages on that particular web hosting platform. So majority of you guys will be going with this WordPress hosting right here, which you can be able to see the price right here if you want to go with one website. But if you want to go with multiple websites, you can see like this one that is actually going for $5.50 right here monthly can actually allow you to host up to 100 websites right here, okay, which is actually a crazy deal. If you're a web developer, you can be able to host majority of your clients' websites right there, so that you can be able to make more money for yourself using this particular hosting offer that they are giving you right here, okay. And right here you can be able to see right here that they have the website security right here, so you can get the SSL certificate right here, you can get the website backup right here, and you can also get the website security visibility right here. And they also have some SEO tools right here. So if you go over to these SEO tools, you can see right here, you can be able to sign up and get instant SEO reports on your website. You can get easy SEO plan on how you can easily rank your website, and also you can follow this simple step-by-step instruction on how to do everything. Okay, but also know that that comes with a cost. Okay, so you can see the features and the pricing that they have right there and everything they're going to be doing for you. But this is actually very, very cheap to compare to the reward that you are actually going to be getting when your website or your client's website start ranking at the first page of Google, which is actually where you want to get those websites at. Okay, so right here you can also get their support, so you can easily go ahead and contact them if you have any problem or any challenges. Okay, now you can also do well to join their affiliate network right here, whereby if you go ahead and recommend people to sign up and join this particular hosting platform using your affiliate link, you can be able to get a commission from them. So you can go ahead right there, fill in your personal information right here, put in the additional information, and also select the payment method you want to use. So for example, if you don't want to use PayPal right here, you can use Payoneer, you can use Bankwire, you can even select crypto payments, and they're actually going to pay you once you're able to successfully recommend people to join this particular platform. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you already know how all this stuff works, so you can be able to start using it to make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, that's actually what I want to show you guys about this UltaHost website. There are lots more features that they have right here. You can see their website builder, you can see their tools and services, every other thing that you can be able to gain with this particular UltaHost web hosting provider right here. So you can do well to come over right here and check out what they have right here to offer, so that you will know that whether this is actually a web hosting provider that you might consider using this 2025. And sincerely speaking, going by their performance, their security, the 24/7 support that they offers, I think this is actually one of the best web hosting provider for any newbie who is serious about getting a web hosting provider for their online business this 2025. And like I said earlier, if you want to sign up on this particular web hosting provider, go ahead and use the link I have in the description of this video, so that you can be able to explore the web hosting provider and see if this is what you want to get started with right away. I hope you guys find value in this video. Let me know if you have any question down in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to any question that is regard to the UltaHost web hosting platform. Or you can also go on their platform and send them a message if you have a specific question that you want to ask them. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on the next one.